buddies, and welcome once again here in our Tol, anong latest? Number 29. Okay, so even though NXB don't have a major update today, on the other hand, he has a big surprise for us. And if you have viewed already your update notice in NXB had just released a new mission where we can grind awakening hero memories. Okay? So, if you're new in NXB, this hero memories was first introduced during the 6th anniversary, during the coming of the NTL and STL. And just a short recap, what does it do? So, if you recall, one of the ways to make our shinobi stronger is by awakening them. It grants them a wide range of abilities and other perks. Okay? So, the higher the shinobi is awakened, the more abilities he can have also. And when the shinobi reach to 7-star awakened, he unlocks the so-called link board, where if you further upgrade it, grants even more perks such as heightened stats, resistances to certain status effects, and more power against bosses and fortress battles, etc. Okay? So now, with the coming of this 8-star, 6 months ago, it introduced our shinobi to a whole new level, which is granting them the color protection. Okay? So, if you recall this color protection, this is that thing that makes the bosses in roundup mission very hard to defeat. And it only requires a certain jutsu in order to break them, and then after breaking it, you can now easily defeat the boss. So before, it can be only seen in roundup, but with the introduction of these hero memories and 8-star awakenable shinobi, it also introduces us to this effect. That is why if you manage to awaken your shinobi up to 8-star, you will now be granted, like for example this KLM, a Jade protection. Although its endurance is only 16. But still, I believe, in a way, it can also add to the defense of your shinobi inside. Okay? But, gathering these hero memories, as you can see, this is the icon where you can see how many hero memories have you gathered already. So, for my Sasuke Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan, I only have 15 hero memories. Acquisition of these things is very hard 6 months ago because it requires you a large sum, literally, of shinobites in order to get hero memories, because there are only few sources of it. First is if you summon in the major banners of the featured shinobi. Second, it usually appear in the daily shop, and aside from that, I believe there's none anymore. These hero memories being sold in the exchange shop here in the Shinobi Token Exchange was only later introduced 1 month ago. Okay, so before making a shinobi up to 8-star, you really must be pay to win. But with the introduction of this new mission, it will now help us even more to gather some more hero memories. Okay? So, consider it as a help from Bandai. Okay? So, things to take note here. So, as we can see here, we can only clear this mission each stage 3 times a day. Okay? So, if you have the Premium Pass consecutive bonus rewards plus 1 another attempt to clear it, okay? And it can be only played in solo battle, okay? And you cannot use any of the insta means to clear it, such as auto battle, insta achieve tickets, or the limited insta achieve tickets, okay? So literally you have to grind it on your own, okay? And you must also remember that this mission will only last for 5 days, okay? But even though they only make it 5 days, I believe it will appear in the near future also in some other time, because it is indicated here that the stages for this mission will continue to be added in the near future. Therefore, it has a possibility that they will add even more stages for us to gather hero memories of the previous rekits of the shinobi in the past months, such as those that follows NTL STL Light and Shadow. Okay, and it also means that this mission will come back once again. Okay, so as for now, we must make use of the limited time that we have to grind it. Also, the mission drops hero memory points, which we can be used to exchange hero memories of other shinobi. Okay, so here we can now see the other hero memories of the shinobi who previously had their rekits in the past months. Okay, aside from the Light and Shadow and NTL and STL. Okay, but since some of its missions only have limited clears, we have to prioritize which shinobi who do you think will you make an 8-star shinobi. Okay, so we have to manage our expenditure and not just to drastically or recklessly spend hero points. Okay, and I advise you to prioritize getting the hero memories of the shinobi that you use as a defender in either in your fort or most applicably in the final room. Okay, because as mentioned a while ago, as I have shown you the hidden abilities granted by 8-star shinobi, it is indicated there that those effects are only applicable in fortress defense. So that is why you choose from among these following available shinobi whom you frequently use in defense and which you can make them even tougher. So think about it. So overall, as I have computed the math of the missions that we can be cleared, we can gather a total within 5 days 15 hero memories of NTL, STL, Light, and Shadow, and also 60 of these hero memory points. Therefore, with 60 points, we can get at least 30 hero memories for a certain shinobi. Okay, so if you don't have much hero memories in your possession, try prioritizing only one shinobi. Okay, so that is my advice to you. Do not recklessly spend your points. Okay, manage your expenditure. So that's all, buddies. Thank you for watching this video.